Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Biscoff biscuits. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for a smooth baking process. Softened butter is key for a perfect dough, so plan ahead. Preparing your baking sheet with parchment paper will also make cleanup a breeze. Let's get baking. Now let's get to mixing. First, cream your softened butter and brown sugar together until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step incorporates air, making your biscuits tender. Next, slowly add your dry ingredients, mixing just until a cohesive dough forms. Overmixing can lead to tough biscuits, so be gentle. Finally, chill the dough for at least 30 minutes.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks, right? Just like you wouldn't skimp on good ingredients for your biscuits, don't skimp on your feet. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
With your dough chilled, it's time to roll it out. Aim for about 1/8 inch thickness to ensure even baking and crispiness. Use your favorite cookie cutters to create those iconic biscuit shapes. Carefully transfer each cut biscuit onto your parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving a little space between them. This prevents them from sticking together as they bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the biscuits for approximately 10 minutes, or until their edges turn a beautiful golden brown. They will firm up as they cool, so don't worry if they seem a little soft when you first take them out. Transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely, ensuring maximum crispness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.